I don't think I'll leave my bed. All my garden shriveled dead. It's been long since 17.
Sorry. Oh my god. Bless you. Okay, I just woke up right now. Oh my god. Okay, I just woke up right now and it's at like 9:30. Oh my god, do I have to sneeze again? Okay, it's like 9:30 and I have to work soon, but yeah, so I'm just gonna be getting ready. I'm just gonna be getting ready and, you know, filming it because why not, you know? I'm so exhausted. Look at my cat. Look at him sleeping. He's so cute. Look at him. Oh, Benny. Hey. Hey. He's dead right now. Just like me. But anyways, let's get on with this video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a get ready with me. I'm just getting ready for work and I'm so freaking exhausted, but yeah, I'm gonna, honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, it's the morning, so I don't know if I should go, you know, bold, but you know, who cares. I'm gonna be using this palette for the first time ever. I'm so freaking excited. Like, do you see how beautiful this is? Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, this is the FRIENDCATION palette by Desi and Katie, and it's so beautiful. Like, I'm wearing like navy blue pants and I don't know if I should just go ahead and use that blue or what, but you know. And I also have my trusty dusty soft glam. You know, this palette is amazing and it's awesome if you want to do something neutral, but I always use the browns in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna honestly do a get ready with me. I'm gonna start off with this hydrating serum by Phlegian Labs, and my skin is so dry. Like, it's unbelievable how freaking dry my skin is. I'm actually gonna be going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, the Smooth and Blur one, the original one. I'm just gonna be putting that all over my face because I need it. I am going in with an old time favorite of mine. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Like, this is such a throwback. Oh my god, I forgot a beauty blender. Oh my god. Sorry about that. I forgot a beauty blender. But yeah, so I'm going in with my Photo Focus foundation by Wet n Wild. I haven't used this in a minute. Like, it's been a while since I used this. It was an all-time favorite. I used it for prom. It's so good. Like, I don't know, the coverage is perfect. The way it makes my skin look, it's so nice. The only thing I don't like is that it's kind of matte, and that's really bad for my dry skin, but you know, I really don't mind. Like, it's not so matte that it's like really bad and drying. It's like demi matte, I think. But yeah, I love this freaking foundation. The coverage is really nice, but the one, yeah, it dries fast. So if you haven't tried this, which I'm pretty sure almost everyone has, you just have to put it like a little bit at a time because it does dry pretty fast. Going in with concealer now. I'm going in with my my Tarte Shape Tape. Yeah, I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I love this concealer. I honestly didn't want to give in to the hype of buying this, but it's really good. I love it. Like, it makes my skin look so good. I'm just gonna put in powder. I'm using my Essence Banana powder. I'm just going in with this Morphe brush. This is actually an eyeshadow brush, but it's so big, like I can't. So I use that to set my under eyes. I love it. It's really nice. Next, I am going to be doing my brows. I'm gonna just grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah, and I'm just going in with my 7B eyebrow brush. Just doing my brows. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that really quick and then we'll go on to the eyes. So yeah. Okay, so let's not acknowledge how bad my eyebrows look right now, but I haven't done them in a minute, so okay, next I'm gonna be going in with my AOA Studio eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna be going in using that. I'm gonna tap it in with my finger. So now let's get in with this beautiful palette. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever trying out the Dose of Colors formula, so let's hope it's good. I always drop things, like it's so annoying. Okay, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush and I'm going in with this, the lightest shade, and I'm just gonna kind of set my eyes. Alright, honestly, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Like, should I go bold? Should I go natural? Like, I'm either debating on doing my crease with this color or this color. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm gonna be basic and go with the lighter color. I'm just going to work. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, and I'm just gonna go in on my crease. I'm actually gonna go into my Soft Glam and go into Orange Soda right there. Oh crap, I went into the wrong color. Okay, Orange Soda, and just put that over that. I just want to make sure everything is blended flawlessly, and I want to make sure that this color shows even with all the other colors I'm gonna pack over it. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, that brown shade. It's like a brownish orange, and I'm just going in and I'm just kind of going along my crease, and I'm gonna go in with that darker brown. Dang, that's pigmented. And I'm just gonna lightly do the same thing, just very lightly though. And I'm just gonna go in and blend that all there together. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with my AOA brush and going again with that darker brown. And just putting that all over. I'm just gonna deepen that out. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe brush and just blend that all in. I'm debating if I should make it a little bit more deeper. Why not? I am now going to go in and cut my crease. with my Tarte Shape Tape. Why do I keep saying short? Yeah, my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna be going in with my favorite brush to cut my crease with. It's the Alamar Cosmetics from BoxyCharm, and I'm just gonna cut my crease. Now I'm going to be going in with the deepest brown in this palette right there, and a lip brush, and I'm just gonna kind of like line up where the crease and the shadow meets, just so the line is like flawless. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm now gonna go back into the Soft Glam palette and going back with Orange Soda right there, and just go over that. Just really blend that out. So a lot of people have problem with fallout. I never was one of those people. Like, just blow it away. Like, I don't know what the big deal is. Like, just blow it away. Like, I don't see what the big deal is. Okay, next I'm gonna be going in with this flat shader brush. I'm gonna be going in with that beautiful color and put that all over my lid. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but that is so pretty. Like, that's not even using like any spray or anything. I'm now gonna go back in with the color and with the darkest brown color and kind of do the same thing. Kind of define the crease. Just blend that out. And then I'm going to go in this flat shader concealer brush, and I'm just gonna use that darkest, deepest brown and just tap in the outer corner, blending that so it's not harsh. I'm loving this eye look so freaking much. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go and I am going to use the darkest brown shade in the palette and just kind of go under in my lower lash line. I am now gonna be going in with my bronzer, my Chocolate Soleil, just kind of warm up my face. I am now going to do my eyelashes. I'm going to be going in with the Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be putting on lashes. I'm going to be putting on the Carrot lashes from Shop Miss A. These are just $1. Oh, right. I freaking love these lashes. Like, see how beautiful they are? They are $1. I'm just gonna go in and just kind of brighten that shimmer. Okay. I'm gonna let my lashes dry on really fast, and I'm gonna be going in with highlights. I'm gonna be going in with this Liquid Glow in Peach Fizz from Anastasia. I'm just gonna put that on. I never used this before, so let's hope it's good. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I feel like it did nothing. So. I'm gonna be going in with my Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit, my Real Techniques brush. I'm just gonna go in with the shade Look at it go Summer. I love this glow kit. It is so blinding. Like, do you see this? Oh my god. Oh crap. I went into the wrong shade. Make sure it's blended. Literally, what's it called? What was I gonna say? Highlight literally makes a whole look. Like, no joke. There we go. I just clapped my hands. Okay, I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe setting spray. That feels so good. Where did I put the cap? Where the heck did I put the cap? It fell under my bed. How? I don't know. I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty lip gloss just to kind of finish up this freaking look. I love this palette. Like, this palette is so good. I love this shimmer. I feel like it turned out pretty good. Pretty okay. But thank you everyone for watching my video. This was just a really quick and basic get ready with me. I'm just going to work, but you know, I gotta go all glammed up. But thank you everyone for watching this video. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe, and thanks for staying. Bye bye.